Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Biopath. जो माने प्रथम करी मो चैनल को व्यू करचंती से माने चैनल टी को सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु एवं लाइक बटन को टिके प्रेस कर दियंतु एवं बेल आइकन को मध्य प्रेस कर दियंतु जा द्वारा मो अपलोड करिथिबा प्रथम वीडियोटी आपनक पाखकु जाई परिबो। ताले आसंतु आज +2 फर्स्ट ईयर जूलॉजी आम किंगडम प्रतिष्ठा विषय आलोचना करवा। सो लेट अस स्टडी अबाउट द किंगडम प्रतिष्ठा। वी नो द नेम प्रतिष्ठा मीन्स फर्स्ट we have to know the name of Pratishtha means the very first, the very first. So Pratishtha means the very first. Diverse kinds of aquatic and unicellular eukaryotic organisms, they are grouped under the kingdom Pratishtha. This kingdom acts as a link between the prokaryotic kingdom Monera. So it is the link between the kingdom Monera and the eukaryotic multicellular kingdoms Plantae, Fungi and Animalia. So the protists are more complicated than Monera. So Monera are simpler organisms than protists because Monera are under the prokaryotes and Protista come under eukaryotes. Here we know in prokaryotes the nucleus is not very systematic position, and in eukaryotic the nucleus is in very systematic position, the right position. So the protists exhibit various types of life cycles. Some are characterized by plant like features and other resemble fungi or animals. They may be photosynthetic, parasitic, predatory or saprobic. So in Protista kingdom there are many organisms like Euglena, Trypanosoma, Giardia, Amoeba, Entomobia, Monocystis, Paramecium, etc. etc. So now let us study about its cell structure of Protista. Cell structure of Protista. As we know, the Protistian cell is typically the eukaryotic cell. The cell has membrane bound nucleus. The cell has a nucleus. The nucleus has a membrane around it. It is called nuclear membrane, or we can say the membrane bound nucleus with nuclear membrane and nuclei. Here is the nucleus. It is your nuclear membrane, the outer membrane, nuclear membrane, and cell organelles like your mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum. So some other cell organelles are found in this cell, that is eukaryotic cell. Here chloroplast also seen, and the cytoplasm of protist cell circulates around it. The cytoplasm, the semi-liquid gel-like structure, circulate around the nucleus, rotate like a stream around the nucleus. This is called Brownian movement. Brownian movement. And the special organelles for the intake of food and elimination of waste products are present in some protist. The protista may have cilia. Some protists have cilia and others are flagella for their locomotion. So the protist may have cilia or flagella for locomotion. So now we have discussed about the locomotion. In protista. Locomotion in protista. The protist adopt three major mechanisms for movement. Some protists like Euglena and Chlamydomonas have one or two whip-like structures, like your Chlamydomonas. This is your Chlamydomonas. So these are the whip-like structure called flagella. They are the locomotory organelles of Chlamydomonas. By the help of flagella, the Chlamydomonas can swim or capture its food prey. And another is Euglena. It is a whip-like structure. It is also called flagella for its locomotion, that is Euglena. So some protists like amoeba and entamoeba move with the help of finger-shaped blunt projections called pseudopodia. As we know, amoeba have no definite shape, so these are its pseudopodia. The locomotory organ called pseudopodia or called false feet. Pseudo means false, podos means feet, so false feet or pseudopodia. Some rapidly swimming protista like Paramecium bear a large number of finger-like projections, hair-like structures called cilia all over their body. Paramecium. This is called Paramecium, and these are these cilia around its body, finger-like projections called cilia. So the cilia bearing protista are called ciliates. ciliates. So Paramecium is a ciliates, which are the fastest among the predatory protists. So these are all about the locomotion in Protista, cell structure of Protista. Okay, thanks for watching.